How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to show you more pointers on the paragraph element, and then I'm going to introduce two more elements, the pre-element and the horizontal rule element. So last time, we have this paragraph element here, and I'm just going to delete this, and I'm going to say this is a test. Now, if I wanted each word to be a separate line, you would think to do something like this, right? Now, if I try to save that, Visual Studio will just put it back in one line. Now, the reason is that the browser ignores all that white space, right? So even if I saved it in that format where it was in each separate line, the browser would just render it the same as demonstrated here. I just render it like this right here. So in order to have a separate line for each word, you would have to create a paragraph element for each word, right? So I'll say P here, and then I'll say word 1, and then P here, and then word 2, right? So then that way, each word is in one line. Now, there is another way by using another element where you can use the white space to your advantage. So this is what's called the pre-element. So I will do left angle bracket, and then the letters PRE, and then right angle bracket, and I'll put that closing tag on the bottom. Now I can say word 1, word 2, heck, and I'll go word 3, right? So let's go ahead and save that, see how that looks. Open that in the browser. So now I have word 1, word 2, and word 3, right? And that's all in just one element. I don't have to create separate elements for that. Now you'll also notice the font's a little different, and then you'll notice this white space on the left side, right? So if I go ahead and close out of that, you'll notice here from the body, it's indented, right? So if I wanted this on the very left of the page, I would have to backspace this and put this on the very left here, okay? So now if I save that, let's go File and Save. I will go ahead and open that up in the browser. Now it appears on the very left side, right? So the font's a little different with the pre-element. And as we'll discuss in further videos, there's attributes you can put here for elements to kind of modify them a bit, but that will be on a separate video. So that's the pre-element. So let's go ahead and delete this. And then I'll actually leave these two. Oh, actually, I'll just delete that guy there. All right, so last video, we went over the line break element, but now this time we're gonna go over the HR element, which stands for horizontal rule. So if I just put HR here, close that. So again, like the line break element, the HR element doesn't need a closing tag, right? So now let's see how that looks. We'll open that in the browser. So here you'll see a whole line right in between these two paragraphs. So the horizontal rule element kind of gives you a visual representation of a break between different elements, right? Sometimes you'll see websites, they'll have this line to kind of make stuff easier to read if there's a bunch of sections. Or you can use this to help you design your website so you know where the next element is going to be placed, right? So that is the HR element. So that's it for this video. I just wanted to keep it short. I know I kind of introduced 3 things here, but I just wanted to make sure that you guys knew the nuances of the paragraph element, how the browser ignores the white space, and then also the pre-element, which actually you can use the white space to your advantage if you so choose. And then I also mentioned the HR element, which is the line across the web page. And then also there are going to be fonts and colors and stuff that will change. And I'll mention this every video. We're going to go over that in another video. For now, I'm just introducing all of the standard and most popular HTML elements so you can start learning those and start working around with just simple web pages. All right, guys, please like this video, please subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later.